morning and welcome to our last full day here in Queenstown, New Zealand. Today we have something super exciting planned for our last full day here in the adventure capital of New Zealand.
And actually, arguably the world. Okay, here it is. This is what we're doing today. We're hanging out in front of the store in the Shotover Jet. JK, we're actually going on the jet and I'm so excited. Let's go check in.
Don't look down.
Today we're going with a super popular tourist company here. We're going on a jet boat on a river. It looks super sketchy, which is going to make it all the more fun. But we're taking a shuttle there right now. We're running late, of course, so let's get going.
And if you haven't seen yesterday's video, we walked around all around Queenstown trying all the delicious food that you could find here in this city. It was pouring rain. We just checked in and you have to go through a whole bunch of things and say yes that you've read everything. And one of the things that they said to do is if you have an iPhone 14 or newer, you actually have to turn off your call after severe crash button. You have to turn it off because your phone's gonna think that you're crashing. But just don't forget to remind me to turn it back on when I'm done. I didn't even know this was in my phone.
5 minutes of the shuttle, let's go. And a quick 7-minute ride, we are here. We are so pumped to do this. This is my pump face. The huge group we came on the bus with, they're going later than us. Thank God. I don't know if the front will be better or if the back will be better. We're not allowed to bring the camera. And if you do bring a camera, they only allow a head mount for an action camera like GoPro or the Instant 360, which we actually have both. And we have the head thing. So I'm gonna try and clip both of them on there to get different angles. Guys, this is actually awesome. But why they actually shut you out here and why the rest of them are in the Queenstown area is because they actually own the rights to this part of the river, so no other boat can come up here. Definitely already hugely recommended. Guys, this is super cool. But we're about to go on in 5 minutes, so let's go.
How's it going?
It's going.
You excited?
Lifed up.
Look good. How are you?
I'm good. Just two of you?
Yes.
Yep.
Beautiful.
I think we're in the front because we're in the front of the line of the second boat for our 2 o'clock time slot.
So excited. A little nervous. Are you video ready?
And you guys can head on down to the next Simpson.
All right. Wow, what an odd.
That's too cool.
Yeah.
Hey, how dare you?
Well, you might as well just take the truck in.
I'll drive. You want me to drive?
Now let's go party. Here we go.
So where are we from? Whereabouts are you guys from?
California.
Woo!
Oh, yeah.
Hey, thanks for coming along. You've got your hood up. You deserve that.
How'd it go?
I think we got the least wet, but that's... Sorry, guys.
So much fun! I have wobbly legs.
Not fast enough.
How was it, babe?
Epic. 10 out of 10. recommend.
Honestly, my cheeks hurt. So much fun. I think I screamed that entire time. Or I smiled or something. Oh my gosh, my cheeks hurt. So much fun. That was the greatest ever.
So epic.
Oh, that was way too much fun. It's about a 25-minute ride along this water. And
so much fun. So the cost is 160 New Zealand dollars per person, which is like 80 USD, I believe, something in that range. Also, one more thing I forgot to mention, each boat costs $500,000. Insane. But it has 2 V8 engines. Super awesome. So now I know what I want for Christmas. But I hope you enjoyed this video as much as we did, because we had so much fun today. We wanted to go again. I think he said if we want to do it again, it was like 40 bucks more. But we don't have time, unfortunately. There's so much to do here in Queenstown. So if you're here in Queenstown, definitely plan ahead for what you want to do. There are so many adventure options. I mean, it's literally any outdoorsy thing you can think of you can do here in Queenstown. And now I know why it's the adventure capital of probably the world. But if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. It helps us a lot. If you want to keep following along on our adventures, we're about halfway done with our RV trip here in New Zealand. Tomorrow we start heading back up north and we start driving towards Auckland. The next video actually will be on our ferry from the South Island to the North Island, but it's going to be with a twist. So definitely hit that subscribe button, because if you are familiar with this ferry, you're definitely going to want to see what this little twist is, because I did not know this existed until I booked this ticket. It was something totally crazy, which I don't think you need, but we want to experience. But thanks for sticking around today. We hope you enjoyed this video as much as we did, and until next time, we'll see you on the go. It's 60. All right, here we are. Uh-oh.
all right?
Yeah,
That was oh shit, I wasn't recording. Do it one more time. Yeah.